Hi, this is Nissim. Today's tip about ComfyUI is about bypass and mute of nodes. The idea is very similar but very different. Let's see it. First of all, what the normal way is that everything is active. Okay. Now, if I will run it, as you see here, I will get two different images. But let's say I want to disable this one. I want to not get the image for the next time for this image. So what I need to do, instead of come here and delete it, I can just select that node and do Control M, which means mute. Now, in the next run, you will see I have here read that we are never going to get here, but only the other pad will be run. Okay, this is mute. So you can disable areas, complete areas of your flow without delete it. Another thing is the bypass. Bypass, as you see here, I have here LoRa that I added to the checkpoint. Now, right now, if I want to delete the LoRa, I need to delete it. And then if I want it back, I cannot use it. I need to put it back, connect, and do everything. But if I will do Control B, now it's in this purple color. It means that it exists, but it's bypass. It means that the model is not actually using it. The clip is not actually using it. It's there, but it's not there. So when I run it, everything will continue run. Everything is okay, but it won't use this specific LoRa. It means that if I will enable it again by Control B, okay, and let's say I will add another LoRa. I will add another one after that one. So I will connect this to here, model to the models, okay? And now I can use another LoRa. Let's say I will use that one, whatever it is, okay? Now I can disable this and use that one, or disable both, or disable this and active the other one. Okay, so I have more control about the flow and I don't need to actually delete. Because if I will delete it now, okay, I deleted it. I want it back. I need to again connect and do everything again. Okay, so I hope it will help you because this is super powerful, especially when you use big workflow. That's it for today tips. Subscribe, like, and help me to spread the words about ComfyUI. Have a great day. Bye.